Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about radical equations, and we're going to solve each equation and remember to check for extraneous solutions. So if I was given this equation, square root of 7, that's an A, 7a minus 54 equals, minus an A, I get ahead of myself too much, minus an A equals a negative 6. That's it. I made it sound like there's something more, but there's not. I'm going to add an a to both sides, leave me with the square root of 7a minus 54 equals positive a, I'm going to put the a first, plus an a to both sides, minus 6. Then I'm going to square both sides and eliminate that square root. That gives me 7a minus, that's an a, not a 9, 7a minus 54 equals a squared minus 12a plus 36. That's what happens, what a minus 6 all squared is. It's a minus 6 times a minus 6, and you got to distribute. Or FOIL, you might have heard in school, FOIL. Now to bring everything over, I'm going to subtract a 7a to both sides and add a 54. So subtract a 7a and add a 54. Leaving me with, well, here, 0 equals a squared. Negative 12a minus 7a is negative 19a. And then 36 plus 54 is 90. So I have a squared minus 19a plus 90 equals 0. So I think, okay, what two numbers multiply to be 90 but add to be negative 19? Take a moment, take a moment, take a moment. Think about it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Negative 9 and negative 10. Okay? Negative 9 times negative 10 is a positive 90, but they add to be negative 19. When I set both of them equal to 0, I'm left with a equals 9 and a equals 10. Okay? So those are my two answers, but now I need to check for my extraneous solution. So I'm going to do my check here. And I'm going to take both of them and plug them in individually into the equation. So first one, a equals 9. My a's didn't look like 9s, but they're 9s today. So 7a minus 54 minus an a on the outside. Well, in this case, a will be 9, so it kind of works out, I guess. I'm not giving myself enough room here. Minus 6. Okay? And it didn't say that much. Plug 9 in for a. So now I'm left with 7 times 9 minus 54 minus a 9 equals a negative 6. Okay? Excuse me. So what's 7 times 9? Well, 7 times 9. Have you ever done the finger tricks? I don't know. I feel like putting that in here. So 7 times 9, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That comes out to be 63, right? 6 here left, 3 there. I don't know, just a trick in case you want it. All right, 63 minus 54 minus 9 equals negative 6. Okay? Okay. Well, plugging that in here. Yeah. So 63 minus 54 is a 9, right? 63 minus 54 is a 9, so the square root of 9 minus 9 equals negative 6. The square root of 9 is 3. So 3 minus 9 is a negative 6. And does negative 6 equal negative 6? True. Fantastic. 9 is a real solution. Now I have to do the same check here, and hopefully I have enough room, of a equals 10. So let's put a little wall here to separate them, so it's still not as close. So square root of 7a, take my time here, minus 54, minus a equals negative 6. Okay? So I got to plug 10 in for a, so a square root of 7 times 10 minus 54 minus a outside this minus 10 outside of the square root equals a negative 6. Simplify 7 times 10 is 70, so I square root of 70 minus 54 minus 10 equals negative 6. 70 minus 54 is a 16, right? Yeah, 16 minus 10 equals negative 6. Square root of 16 is 4, so I have 4 minus 10 equals negative 6. 4 minus 10 is negative 6. And a negative 6 does in fact equal a negative 6. My left and right hand side are equal, so my two solutions are both of them that we found, 9 and 10. So let's recap. We're given the square root of 7a minus 54 minus a equals negative 6. I brought the a over and then squared both sides. That eliminated the square root, giving me 7a minus 54 equals, and here, a squared minus 12a plus 36. I then subtracted a 7a to both sides and added 54 to both sides, leaving me with 0 equals a squared minus 19a plus 90. I then had to factor that, so I factored both of them, got a minus 9 times a minus 10, leaving me with or effect of that. So I set both of them equal to 0 to solve, and I got a equals 9 and a equals 10. I had to check both of them. So I took a equals 9, plugged 9 in for my equation. I simplified. Left and right hand side were equal. -6 did equal a -6. True statement. Made 9 a real solution, not extraneous. Did the same thing with 10. Plugged 10 into my original equation. I simplified. Left with -6 equal to -6. Left and right hand side were equal. Fantastic. So 10 is a real solution as well. So there was no extraneous solutions here. And so my final answer is A equals 9 and A equals 10.